economy, healthcare, education.
You have the
All
hiccups?
that will get drowned out in our old, predictable ways of thinking about race. The big question now for Obama and for the rest
Seriously?
of us, really, is there another way? Another way
What are
to
you
think
gonna do?
and communicate across the country.
You're gonna hold your breath?
Do you consider yourself
Do you want me to scare you?
black man?
And then they might go away. Yeah?
Is there a difference between black and
Whoa. I heard that one.
No, I don't think so. I mean, what I think
Ah.
is that the African American community
Oh, hiccup.
is much more familiar with some of the
Whoa.
darker aspects
Whoa,
of
that's a big one.
American life and American history. I think that they
Whoa.
understand America much less as a
Yeah.
marching band playing John Jules Sousa.
Whoa.
They understand America much more as a